Hello and welcome to this new video on how to delete Dropbox files from PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. You just have to type Dropbox and press enter the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result that says Dropbox, and Dropbox interface will be shown to you when you have signed in and logged in. And when you have logged in and signed in successfully, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be Dropbox and Dropbox icon. You just have to click on that icon and text, and you will be able to access the home page of Dropbox. Now you just have to look on the left hand side and you need to click on the all files tab, and all the files that are enlisted in Dropbox will be shown to you. Now you just have to choose the file and do a right click on that file, and a pop-up box will appear and there will be an delete option. So you just have to click on the delete option and the files will be deleted from the Dropbox. And another way to delete files from the Dropbox is you can just go to the file explorer and there will be Dropbox folder. Just go to the Dropbox folder and you will be able to see all the files. Now you just have to choose the files that you want to delete, and you just have to do the right click on the mouse and a pop-up box will appear and there will be an delete option. You just have to click on the delete option and you will be able to delete the files. So this is how you can easily delete Dropbox files from PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.